If you selected GTIN/EAN/UPC when registering your SKUs, then you will need to download and print your SKU labels to stick on each item. Or you can add this as a value-added service for a fee, where you will be charged for Orange Connex to do this for you. To print your own SKU labels, from the left-hand navigation, select SKU and then Print SKU Label. You have the option to choose your label size at the top of the page and then click on Download Template. On the Excel sheet, you will need to fill in column A with your SKU IDs and column B with the quantity per SKU. Save this Excel document, then click Upload and choose your saved file. Select all the SKUs you wish to print labels for. Then click on Print Label, and you should see a pop-up of a batch print for your SKU labels. Please note, these SKU labels must be visible to Orange Connex, so if you are packaging the items yourself, ensure these labels are stuck on the outside of the box so that they are visible.
Get more tips and guidance from the eBay team by subscribing to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.